Today we're going to look at doing 5 things in this video. The first one is make the Macintosh HD visible. That's where everything on the computer is stored. So right now it's invisible, so we want to make it so we can see it. The second thing is we're going to turn on this concept on the mouse called right click. So there'll be a left click and a right click button on the mouse. Next we're going to clean up the dock. What is the dock? The dock is this big thing down here where we have shortcuts to a number of programs. Right now it's too busy, so we're going to clean it up. And then we're going to customize the dock to have Photoshop, Bridge, and Lightroom. Then one way you show me that you completed that is you take a screenshot. So I will go through how to take a screenshot. First things first, Macintosh HD. Notice up here, it tells me what program I'm in. I'm in Notes. That's this little program here. If I click on the back screen, it now says that I'm in the Finder. So you have to click on the back screen to get the Finder. So under Finder, go to Settings, and turn on the hard disk. There we go. That's the Macintosh HD. It's invisible. Now it's visible. You cannot see it. Now you can see it. You want to see that. Next, we're going to turn on right-click on the mouse. So under the Apple, we're going to go to System Settings. Go all the way down to the bottom. And right now, yours probably says that it's off. So it's saying that there is a left click only. Now when I turn right side on, now there's a left click and a right click on the mouse. That they do two different things. That right click is going to be very useful in Photoshop and some other shortcuts. So the left click doesn't do much here. It will let you click and drag, but it doesn't do anything when you click back here. But when you right click, it brings up some options. Right click, left click. So it will be useful to have right click on. Now we're going to go ahead and clean up the dock. We need to get rid of a bunch of this stuff that we will never use. So you right click, go to Options, Remove from Dock. So you're going to do that to a bunch of things here. Oh, that one I'm using, so I don't want to remove it. Even photos, that's iMac photos. We are going to be using Photoshop. So Photoshop is way better than the iMac Photos program. And rather than Safari, if you can, use Google Chrome. Google Chrome will work better with Google Drive. Safari has some challenges. I will go over those as well. System settings, let's leave that one there. Launchpad, some people like to use that. So there we go. This is really clean. You probably don't have this. This is what I'm using to make my video. Now the dock is cleaned up. So now we're going to add Photoshop, Bridge, and Lightroom down here. So now is when we open our Macintosh HD. We're going to go to the Applications folder. Bridge. This is the folder Bridge. Do not bring that down. Open this and bring this program down. Bring it to the left of that line, and now a version of, or a copy of it, a shortcut of it, is stored right here. Go back, Lightroom. Put it to the left of that bar. Now a shortcut to the program is down there. Notice the real program stays here, and it has to, because the real program is going to use other things in here. This program has to access all of these in the same folder. So if you were to move this over here, it would not work. But you can put a shortcut down here. Close that out. Now we have a nice clean dock there. Now creating a screenshot. So you're going to hold down the keys all at the same time. Command, Shift, and the number 4. Command, Shift, 4, all at the same time. And then you'll get to click and drag a screen. Command, Shift, 4, boom. And you get this crosshair. Notice this little crosshair. So I'm going to click the mouse, the left side, and drag it, and you'll hear it take a picture. There we go. It shows up here temporarily, and then it's going to show up as a little thing right here. I'll give it a second. There we go. And this is what you will turn in to me for this project.